फटाफट
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Will this be the video? कोई एक प्लेयर 100 on 100 लेके पहुंचे.
Oh my God, क्या मैंने जोकर ले लिया है? और will it be the video where I give you a grand slap?
You have given my emotions loose motions.
Okay.
Like girl, take goodness gracious.
My God!
My God! Signing off. Tata, bye-bye, sayonara. G for goodbye.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, ब्रेन जेल से हुए हैं 2 कैदी फरार और मैं आया हूं करने इन्हें गिरफ्तार. सो whoever wins today will go scot free. What happens to the other? Find out at the end of the episode. Get set G for go. Hello Brady's, what's up? कैसे हैं आप? Welcome to Alpha Beta Gamma letter G. All answers today will start with the letter G.
गोरी 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 गोरी
Get out.
This is your boy Gokul along with Gohit and Gipun welcoming you to this goodest quiz. Round 1, earn points. Round 2, bet those points to double them, triple them, quadruple them, जैसी जिसकी क्षमता. Whoever has more points in the end will win. और हारने वाले का क्या हाल होगा? You'll know. So, get set, go! Question 1, here you go. This ancient land is considered the birthplace of democracy and drama.
Okay.
क्या? तूने लिख भी दिया?
हाँ. फटाफट.
Oh, please, come on.
फटाफट.
This is Greece.
Greece.
10 points each. And welcome to GJ. Oh, what is GJ? A new segment. Ganda joke urf Gokul joke. So, Greece it's so ancient. पुरानी चीजों पे ही ग्रीस लगती है ना, I think शायद इसीलिए. That explains the name. Question number 2. A crunchy breakfast mix of oats, nuts and honey often paired with yogurt.
Done.
किसी का फेवरेट है ना yogurt?
Done. हाँ, इसी का और रोनी का.
वो तुझे देख के बोल रहा है. He hates it.
And the answer is granola.
Granola.
वाह वाह वाह. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही रीबूट हो गई है एंड आई थिंक दे शुड आल्सो रीबूट कहीं किसी रोज सो दैट वील गेट टू सी ग्रेनोला सेकंड. जीजे नंबर 2, more coming up. Sorry, be ready to suffer. You're getting towards question number 3. This towering Philistine warrior was brought down by a young shepherd David. Not David Shepherd the Empire, young shepherd David. Who is this biblical figure? उस फिलिस्तीन से ही पैलेस्टाइन कंट्री का नाम भी आया था.
DIL.
So the answer is Goliath.
Goliath. Yes.
वाह वाह वाह. 10 points each.
Not Goliath, okay? Goliath.
And true underdog story. I mean, David was छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
Yes.
But Goliath is just one autocorrect away from being Goliath with an A. Now, what is that? It's a brand of basketball hoops. So if someone says, I am Chotu, how can I play basketball? Yeah, tu kar sakta hai, bro. You can do it. You have Goliath with you. Question number 4. Here you go. Which fantasy series used Medina in Malta, Doon Castle in Scotland, and Dubrovnik as filming locations? The answer is Game of Thrones.
Game of
Game
Thrones.
of Thrones.
Yeah.
दोनों ने अब तक सही आंसर दिए हैं. You know what that means? It means they are not Jon Snow. If you know the dialogue, you know nothing, Jon Snow. चलो, audience question. Comment down below which character said that.
Oh, अच्छा बोला किसने था?
And the next question is, which author wrote Burmese Days and Coming Up for Air? While they think, I'll have my G for green tea. Have you logged your answers?
Yeah.
Yes.
And the answer is
You're right. Gokul would totally do this.
George Orwell.
George Orwell.
George Orwell.
So, Burmese Days was his first novel. Ab, book time. George Orwell is the author of Animal Farm, a book which brought them together.
Ooh.
Now they are together coming to bring out a book. हमारे viewers, especially our members, you तो know what the what. Over to our संवाददाता Nemo for more updates. Not these quiz players, Nemo. The संवाददाता. Cut to them.
मैं अंजानी केचप और ये मेरे सहयोगी वेरी नूब गो स्विमिंग।
Very good, no swimming.
हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं लाइव फ्रॉम ग्राउंड जीरो, उस दिमाग के अंदर से जिसको एक प्लेग, क्यूरियोसिटी नाम की प्लेग ने जकड़ लिया है, पकड़ लिया है। नूब जी बताएं क्या चल रहा है अंदर?
We can trace back the roots of this curiosity virus to this one book called What the What by these very very noob authors.
गौर से देखिए इन दोनों को, इन दोनों ने बहुत ही बड़ी गलती कर दी है। इन्होंने एक किताब को मजेदार और सस्ता भी बना दिया, वो भी हर उम्र के इंसान के लिए। वाह, क्राइम हो तो ऐसा।
Books had to be boring. They didn't have to become social media, but these bloody outsiders, unaware of the consequences, made a book that a person would actually enjoy. Our sources tell us this book doesn't cure curiosity. It makes it incurable. Dun dun dun.
अब इनके सर के अंदर ये भूचाल चल रहा है और यहाँ तक सिर्फ किताब की ही गलती नहीं है। नूब जी बताएं।
We have been told that the book comes with so-called free goodies. Let's hear about them from this mind itself. Mind ji. Oh my god, the mind says that the author should be thrown out of the planet for calling them goodies. The mind says that they should be called baddies. Why baddies? Because the bookmarks are not just bookmarks. They have more trivia on them. Who wants this much trivia in their life?
हे भगवान।
Oh my god.
और उस जंबो क्रॉसवर्ड पजल का क्या? द चैट वांट्स टू नो, बताएं उनको।
That puzzle, don't even ask about that puzzle. I've been told that the puzzle is nightmare. It's so big that this mind had been solving it for 2 weeks and it's not even half done. And the fun is still not over even after 2 weeks.
सूत्रों के मुताबिक ये पजल इतनी बड़ी है, दिखाइए दिखाइए जरा। इसके अंदर तो हम दोनों फिट हो सकते हैं और मुझ जैसे तो 10 लोग फिट हो सकते हैं। पता नहीं ये पजल बेच रहे हैं कि छाता, ये क्रिमिनल्स। नूब जी कैसे बचाया जाए इस साइक्लोन ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी से, बताएं सबको।
एक रास्ता है, एक ही रास्ता है, सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है, पर रास्ता है stop yourself from going to whatthewhats.co and pre-ordering the copy of the book for yourself. If you read the book, you will end up becoming more and more curious. You will have more questions that anybody will have answers for. That book must be boycotted.
हजारों लोग ऑलरेडी सफर कर रहे हैं। गाइस आप सतर्क रहें, अपनी कॉपी ना मंगाएं।
Yes, if you do not want your brain to be storming and your mind to be blown, repeating again where you don't have to go, whatthewhat.co. Do not go there. Do not order. We repeat, do not order. कैमरामैन आईफोन के साथ
मैं अंजानी केचप,
मैं वेरी नूब गो स्विमिंग साइनिंग ऑफ। बैक टू द स्टूडियो गोकुल जी।
और छाता तो ना ही ले बुक के साथ, कौन बेचता है छाता?
And we are back. Next question. This MP city was designated by UNESCO as the City of Music in 2023.
I don't know. City of Music.
हाँ मतलब मुझे भी नहीं पता, मतलब I could be liar also.
And the answer is Gwalior. Gwalior.
एक गंदा जोक मेरी तरफ से भी।
So Gwalior Gharana is possibly the first premier, oldest, highly influential and widely celebrated Khayal Gharana in Indian classical music.
Wow.
So अकबर के कोर्ट में मियां तानसेन, बैजू बावरा, ये जो सिंगर्स थे, ये सभी they are said to be from Gwalior Gharana.
तानसेन।
हाँ जी.
Baiju Babra.
Wow.
Wow.
Next question. Name of this eagle-like mount of Lord Vishnu is?
लिख तो लिया भाई कुछ।
And the answer is Garud.
क्या लिखा है तूने? गरुड़?
गरुड़।
Hey!
मैं माइक टेस्टिंग में अभी मोहित ने एक शब्द बोला, मैंने गरुड़ ही बोला for I don't know why. तूने सुना था माइक टेस्टिंग में बोले गरुड़। जी से गरुड़।
और उस टाइम पे मैंने रिएक्ट नहीं किया. Next question. In tennis, winning all 4 major championships in a year gives you what distinction?
हाँ, you got a distinction.
Done.
And the answer is Grand Slam.
Grand Slam. क्या लिखा है?
Yeah?
सही हो गया क्या?
हाँ?
गोल्डन ग्रैंड स्लैम। मुझे लगा ग्रैंड स्लैम तो एक चैंपियनशिप जीतने को बोलते हैं।
अरे नहीं
Oh no! और मैंने ग्रैंड स्लैम लिख के बाद में ऊपर गोल्डन फिट किया है। Wow.
So
I should go with my gut feelings.
G for gut feeling.
G for gut feelings.
Grand Slam is Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and US Open.
Will this be the video? कोई एक प्लेयर 100 on 100 लेके पहुंचे.
Oh.
Or will it be the video where I give you a grand slap?
This is for my cheeks.
Question number 9. Name Shakespeare's world famous London stage that was rebuilt in the 1990s. And the answer is Globe Theatre.
Globe.
क्या बात है. First Globe Theatre कैसा बना था? It was built in Elizabethan playhouse structure like
हाँ,
this.
हाँ.
ऊपर thatched roof रहता है and mainly wood से बनती है. Cut to 1613. Now Henry the Eighth की performance चल रही है Shakespearean play. And इस time पे a cannon was fired for special effects. गया किधर? Thatched roof पे.
Oh shit.
2 घंटे के अंदर the entire Globe Theatre was burnt down.
Wow.
Oh.
1616 was the year when Shakespeare जी का देहांत हो गया. स्लोली डिटीरियरेट हुआ एंड 1642 में बंद होके 1644 में दैट ग्लोब थिएटर डिमोलिश ही हो गया. कट टू 1997 जो करंट ग्लोब थिएटर है दैट वाज रिकंस्ट्रक्टेड और उसका नाम दिया गया था शेक्सपियर्स ग्लोब. दिस ग्लोब थिएटर आल्सो हैज अ thatched roof. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट thatched roof which was allowed after the 1666 Great Fire in London. उसके बाद completely banned थी. So special permission इसके लिए मिली थी and they rebuilt it just so that you can have the same without microphones, without spotlights wala Elizabethan playhouse wala experience. It can be given in natural daylight.
Wow.
10th question. Here you go. Marvel's ragtag band of intergalactic heroes.
Favorite.
लिख दिया?
Yes.
Okay. And the answer is Guardians of the Galaxy.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
भाई और बहनों इसी के साथ हो रहा है ग्रैंड स्लैम.
Nippu, you did it. Nippu, you did it.
अभी जीती नहीं.
I salute you, but I'm also going to compete with you.
ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन आपके लिए. Which state of India has the longest coastline?
Starts with G.
Welcome to Beta Round. 6 categories in front of you, मगर एक सवाल के पीछे छुपा है जोकर. Your 6 categories are goodness gracious, gully boy, grotesque, gifted scribe, grouse spouse, and GoPro.
GoPro और गली बॉय तो आंसर ही होने चाहिए थे.
GoPro was the answer in my season 1 G quiz.
Yeah.
वो कैटेगरी है.
Guys, देखो अब मेरे पास बहुत पॉइंट है. तो मैं बहुत रेकलेसली खेलना था.
Wow.
I
Okay.
want to play like a grand slammer. तो अभी
Like a
मैं
gully boy, like a gully girl.
Okay.
Play like a gully girl. Take goodness gracious.
पॉइंट्स पे बैठ कर दिए हैं.
Super.
गली बॉय साउंड्स लाइक सम इंसान का नेम एंड आई थिंक कुछ इंसान का नाम मैं क्रैक कर सकती हूँ. So I'll go for गली बॉय.
Gully boy for X points. Here you go. Born into a middle-class Mumbai family, he became one of cricket's biggest superstars. Nicknamed the Little Master, he was the first batsman to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket. This opening batsman faced down the fearsome OG West Indian pace quartet. His autobiography chronicling his life and career became an international bestseller. What are we talking about?
Huh?
He does not look like Mr. Gautam Gambhir because he's not a रहता अचीवमेंट ऐसा वाला नहीं है. Oh my God, क्या मैंने जोकर ले लिया है?
Oh my God! Is this gully boy a gulguli guy? Gulguli guy?
10,000 in Test cricket. ऐसे इतने अच्छे से मैं वो कर रही हूँ जैसे मुझे सब पता हो. It's either गांगुली और गावस्कर. गावस्कर जी is a little, he looks like somebody who can write a biography. कोई गौतम गंभीर नहीं है ना, और कोई जी से anybody I know, any very great person. सुनील गावस्कर, who is that guy? रवि शास्त्री, धोनी, कोहली, रोहित शर्मा. इससे आगे तो मेरी क्रिकेट नॉलेज खत्म हो चुकी है. गावस्कर. And Gavaskar is also Kar, must be a born in Bombay family.
Oh.
Gavaskar.
Wow.
So according to you, it is not a joker.
अब वो यार.
Because you have already committed Gavaskar.
Yeah.
Middle class Mumbai family. कोई और भी था. Nicknamed the Little Master. किसी और का नाम भी था. Autobiography किसी और ने भी छापी थी.
Oh no! Is This is Tendulkar.
which became an international bestseller.
This can't be Tendulkar. Don't put Tendulkar here. मैं तेंदुलकर का नाम क्यों नहीं लिया?
Sunil Gavaskar and Sachin Tendulkar both were nicknamed the Little Master. Both were born in middle-class Mumbai family.
Now it is Tendulkar.
Both became cricket's biggest superstars, but the first batsman to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket was
I put a lot of points.
Gavaskar. So this question is not a joker.
Oh भाई, oh यार, भाई आपने जो इमोशन के साथ खेला है ना, भाई you have given my emotions lose motions.
Oh no, मुझे हशर्ट ऑफिस दिख गया वहाँ पे ना सचिन तेंदुलकर का बड़ा बड़ा वो लगा हुआ है.
Best selling out
Best seller.
Okay,
Sorry,
how
sorry.
many points have you seen? 30
points.
That's what I said कि अगर ये गलत हुआ तो बहुत पॉइंट चले जाएंगे भाई.
Oh भाई.
चलो मोहित तू ले ये कैटेगरी ग्रोटस.
नहीं भाई, मेरे से बोला भी नहीं जा रहा
है तू थोड़ा सा खिनौना टाइप.
But I'm also grouse spouse. अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे ग्रोटेस्क भाई. Oh, point तो लिख दूं.
सोच लिया?
Yes, I have bet my points on grotesque.
Okay,
I take the task.
here we go. This 2000s Hollywood blockbuster is about a massive prehistoric monster who is discovered on a remote, uncharted island. When the monster comes to New York, its presence causes immense chaos and destruction. Inspired by Scottish geologist, paleontologist, author Dougal Dixon's works, the designers imagined what 65 million years or more of isolated evolution might have done to dinosaurs and other creatures. This sleeper hit won many accolades, including 3 Academy Awards. Which movie are we talking about?
Wow, bhai, this sounds like Joker. I'll tell you why. Okay, so
Oh.
I'm getting some mixed signals over here. Some mixed signals, Gokul. Some mixed signals. What have you done?
Okay.
Okay, so prehistoric monster. Dinosaur gives me a vibe of Godzilla. ठीक है? Fine. But जहां तक मुझे याद है ना, Godzilla was not discovered on a remote uncharted island. I think that was King Kong, जो Skull Island पे discover हुआ था. Godzilla was underwater living creature that came out and attacked New York. While King Kong was brought to New York. The question is trying to deceive me. Douglas नहीं है, दुग्गल जी. दुग्गल दीक्षित का जो काम है, दुग्गल दीक्षित के काम से the designers imagined what 65 million years or more of isolated evolution might have done to dinosaurs and other creatures. Oh bhai, I'm so confused. I bet so many points. I'm not sure whether to call it a Joker or not. Should I go for King Kong or Godzilla?
Oh my
King Kong or
God.
Godzilla? King Kong or Godzilla? Okay, so let me just call it out, bhai. I say this is a Joker and the real answer is King Kong.
You get double points if you're right. You know that, right?
You can see the point, bhai. 30 points.
If he's right, he gets 80. Whoa!
Otherwise, he comes down to 50.
भाई I have no idea. मैं तो Godzilla बोल देती हूँ. मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं.
The answer is
My God!
it is the Joker.
So good, Bonu. Wow!
It is King Kong, to be confused with Godzilla.
Monu! Wow!
Congratulations.
Wow!
भाई क्या सवाल बनाया यार. What a great question, भाई.
Wow! I'm so glad you did it. मुझसे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता.
That's a brilliant crack.
Wow!
And इसी के साथ you double your points into 2, taking the lead.
Sing is king.
Guys, मैं 100 लाके भी अगर नहीं जीती ना, 100 लाके भी नहीं जीती, क्या करूं फिर उस 100 का?
Categories: you have goodness gracious, gifted scribe, grouse pause, and GoPro.
Again, gifted scribe sounds to me like a person.
Okay.
Ideally, मुझे person मोहित पे छोड़ देना चाहिए, क्योंकि he is not good with person.
I'm good with monkeys.
I
Okay.
will go for grouse spouse.
Okay.
Just
Grouse pause for X points. Here we go. The term comes from a 1944 film where a husband makes his wife think she's crazy. He manipulates her into believing that she is losing her mind by subtly altering elements of their home. Psychologists say that the abusers seek to gain power and control over the other person by doing so. The abuser denies things they clearly said or did, even when faced with proof. A key goal is to isolate the victim by telling them others believe they are unstable. It has emerged as a significant topic amongst youngsters, especially as discussions around mental health have gained traction in recent years. Incidentally, this term was chosen as Merriam-Webster Dictionary's Word of the Year in 2022. What are we referring to?
What 1944 husband makes his wife think she's crazy. That Mohit does to me every single day. He manipulates her into believing that she is losing her mind. That is also true. By subtly altering elements of their home. That is true. हाँ कहीं भी कपड़े फेंक देता है अपने. Abusers deny these things. They clearly said.
I never did it.
He always denies.
I never did it, Nippu.
सब भूल जाता है.
I never did it, Nippu.
Even when faced with a proof.
I never did it.
Isolate the victim by telling them others believe. तुम unstable हो. Your grey cells are turning black.
भाई सवाल सबको तवे पे बिठा रहा है.
There's something
Se
with tawa.
tava.
Mahiya se tava.
Why?
For somebody who is on the internet 24/7, this should not be difficult.
It's 2022 man, come on. आप ही गलत हो. नहीं मैं तो सही हूँ. आप ही गलत हो. मैं ग्रेट. आप ग्रेटर नोएडा. मम्मा.
Go in the kitchen.
What? क्या होता है किचन में जी से? एक सेकेंड. Granite, gravy. Tawa in kitchen. Oh, I know what your ex did to you. Gaslighting.
It is gaslighting.
भाई मुझे नहीं पता इतना पुराना वर्ड है ये.
1938
My
में
God.
प्ले बनी थी.
हाँ.
And then 1944 में it was adapted into a movie titled Gaslight,
Oh my.
in which the husband manipulates his wife into believing she is losing her sanity. One key element was dimming and flickering of the gas lights in the house, which the husband uses to disorient his wife, saying it's her imagination.
Oh.
So just like how Googling became a word for searching, इस चीज को gaslighting ऐसा एक verb मिल गया because of this movie.
Good. 120.
120. तूने बस 10 पॉइंट्स बचा के रखे थे.
250 points.
Oh, GoPro looks like little tech. GoPro.
Okay, here we GoPro. In this movie making style.
Movie making style.
तुझे तो सब आते हैं मूवी मेकिंग चला दे.
Filmmakers use their own money or crowdfund to bypass the traditional studio system. Now, productions are kept to a minimum number of people, not just to save cost, but also to avoid drawing attention. Shooting takes place in public places like parks or streets without legal permission. They use lightweight, portable equipment like DSLRs or even smartphones to be discreet. Shoots are often, the term is run and gun, requiring quick thinking to deal with unforeseen problems. This style often leads to documentary-like feel with a sense of spontaneity and realism. Some of the movies shot in this style are Darren Aronofsky's Spy and Paranormal Activity, the CCTV footage wali film. So what are we talking about? What is this movie making style?
What?
What?
What the what?
For more such what the what moments, buy our book.
क्योंकि अब जोकर तो गया. जोकर नहीं गया था मैं इसको बोल देता बूटस्ट्रैपिंग वगैरह ऐसा कुछ.
G for Joker.
नहीं मूवी मेकिंग स्टाइल है कुछ सुनो.
हाँ.
यार बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं मेरे पास ना. इंडी फिल्म मेकिंग, बूटस्ट्रैपिंग, crowdfund to bypass this traditional studio system where you have to go to studio. So productions are kept to a minimum number of people.
The Marathas के ज़माने में शिवाजी महाराज, okay, तो their warfare used to be called something.
छुप के, hidden in plain sight.
छुप के चोरी से चोरी.
My God, am I picking like one gorilla after another or what? गुरिल्ला फिल्म मेकिंग, गुरिल्ला
Jura.
गुरिल्ला।
That's your answer?
हाँ, छुप छुप के, चोरी से चोरी।
The answer is
चुपके रे।
guerrilla
Guerrilla.
filmmaking.
Wow, my God.
Right.
And all these guys, they are like हाथों में कैमरा लिए,
घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ।
तन्हा दिल, यही आता है।
तन्हा सफर।
Anurag Kashyap did it in Gangs of Wasseypur whenever he had to shoot on the streets. तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ शॉट के लिए, the chase sequences उसके लिए. I would like to know how much have you staked?
Oh,
Oh.
90 points.
अरे यार,
Whoa!
कर रहे सही मैथ।
क्या बात है?
My math is mathing.
2 categories in front of you. No joker at all. What are you going for? Goodness gracious or gifted scribe?
Gifted scribe.
पक्का?
Yeah.
Gifted scribe.
Oh, I have a guess also. Can I write it?
Okay.
Okay.
भाई 5 बार जाने वाले हैं आज हम, जो भी हो, अगर
हाँ।
हम में से कोई भी सही चला जाए।
Gifted scribe for X points. Here we go. This eminent Urdu and Persian poet was a master of using irony and wit in his poetry during the last days of Mughal Empire. His full name was Dash Asadullah Beg Khan, but he is most popularly known by his pen name. He is known for his complex and introspective ghazals. His work is known for its blend of classical formalism with a modern sensibility. He was a contemporary of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor.
First, just let me get it out. I had written Ganesh. Because he was also a scribe.
Oh.
So let's get that out. चलो एक सेकंड, हम जानते हैं बहादुर शाह जफर कोई बहुत पुराने एम्परर नहीं है। बहादुर शाह जफर थोड़े one of the latest, औरंगजेब के बेटे थे, if I'm not wrong. He's latest Mughal emperor. So we're not looking at somebody very very old. Looking at somebody like, मतलब old ही है पर मतलब तानसेन टाइप्स में नहीं है, थोड़ा आगे आ गया है। उर्दू एंड पर्शियन, तेरे को सोच गया है क्या?
यार जो मुझे नाम आया ना, वो तो अभी जिंदा है। तो
गालिब।
वो तो जिंदा है ना।
क्या?
वही तो गाने लिखते हैं।
गुलजार है वो।
यार
गालिब को जिंदा करते किसमें बोल रहे हो आप? गुलजार पे ना, गालिब।
You're locking
गालिब जी, या
Galib ji for X points.
ऑल इन है। अभी क्या शर्म ना।
250 का 500 हो रहा है कि नहीं? We'll only know now. Dash Asadullah Beg Khan में the dash is, वो बता देता हूँ. It is Mirza.
मिर्जा गालिब।
It is Mirza Galib.
वाओ, मैं क्यों सोचा कि
निप्पू के 250 के हो गए 500 जी.
अब की बार 500 बार।
अब तो बस यही ख्वाहिश है कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें.
हाँ।
और अरमा ये है कि इस वीडियो पे 5000 लाइक्स आ जाए
5000
और 1000 कमेंट्स भी. बस यार भर दो लाइक्स और कमेंट से, इतने की मैं कह सकूं कि बहुत निकले मेरे अरमा, मगर फिर भी कम निकले.
वाह। दोस्तों एक मुझे याद आ गया,
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी।
सीजन 1 का जी वाला जो एपिसोड था ना, इज द मोस्ट स्पेशल एपिसोड इन द एंटायर सीरीज.
आई थिंक इट इज द मोस्ट व्यूड अल्फाबेटा एपिसोड.
हाँ, क्यों हुआ ऐसा? क्योंकि ना जी में हमने ऐसे हल्का सा रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया कि क्या हम मिलके कि 1000 कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. मतलब अगर 50,000 लोग देखते हैं, उसमें से अगर 5% टॉप की 5% जनता अगर कमेंट कर देगी तो वीडियो विल रीच टू मोर पीपल, फिर ज्यादा लोग इस कम्युनिटी में आएंगे एंड वील हैव अ ग्रेट गाला टाइम ओवर हियर. गाला टाइम. तो दोबारा से वो
I know, and it was very sweet. There were people जो लिख रहे हैं कि मैंने कभी किसी YouTube वीडियो में कमेंट नहीं करा. I'm commenting for you. मतलब it was very sweet. I think we reached 1000 very fast and then
उसी रात को हाँ वीडियो गई शाम को 7:30 बजे और मैं हम लोग 11:30 बजे के आसपास सोने गए और आंखों में आंसू लेकर हम सोए थे कि यार कैसे, मतलब हमने सिर्फ ऐसा बोल दिया, रिक्वेस्ट किया हल्का सा, तो ऐसा 1000 लोगों ने कमेंट कर दिया. कुछ लोग होता है टीवी पे देखते हैं पर उन्होंने टीवी से छोड़ के वो मोबाइल फोन खोला, वो वीडियो दोबारा ढूंढा और उस पे कमेंट किया. Oh my God!
It was really
It's all you.
It's all you. It's all you.
It's all you, bro. It is actually everything that is happening in our lives is because you are watching this video. So
हाँ.
लास्ट कैटेगरी जो
चल
बची
भाई।
है,
छुपाना क्या?
Goodness gracious. I'm not sure whether I'll go all in or not.
अब जाना ही चाहिए, अब जीतोगे कैसे फिर?
ठीक है?
ऑल इन।
देख ले भाई, गामा में फिर जीरो के साथ ना जाए।
मैं खेलूंगा ही नहीं, मैं चला जाऊंगा उठ के दूर 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 ऐसा करके। प्लीज कोई बंदा ना हो, प्लीज कोई बंदा ना हो। मैं गालिब में ऐसे कर दिया यार, प्लीज कोई बंदा ना हो।
Here we go. Found in the cerebral cortex, cerebellum, brainstem, and also in the spinal cord, X is an essential tissue which consists of mainly of neuronal cell bodies. X plays a significant role in mental functions, memory, emotions, and movement and muscle control. Loss of X is associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, Parkinson's. X derives its name because of the color of neuron cell bodies. What is X?
Bad game. I did a bad game. I should have left that question for him. फिर वो गुलजार बोलता उसमें।
Thank you, Agatha Didi and Poirot. Use those grey cells. Call Poirot's bluff.
कुछ दिनों
Grey
पहले
cells.
Hachette, our publisher, gifted us TA at Hachette. Gifted us this Agatha Christie playing cards. Normal playing cards है, पर उसमें पीछे लिखा है use those grey cells.
So I want your final answer.
Grey cells.
For 260 points.
260 points.
Your answer
is
is gray cells. And it is
Woo!
gray matter and not gray cells.
ऐसी तो बात हुई।
नहीं हुई. There is a difference between gray matter and gray cells, which is specifically why I said the answer is gray matter
मोहित,
and not gray cells, which is why the answer matters.
कितना मैं हमने बिल्डअप किया नहीं।
what? मैं पूरा ये ले आई हूँ।
So, if you looked at the question, it specifically says it's a tissue.
Yes.
Gray matter is a tissue. Gray cells are the neuronal cell bodies. That is the distinction between them.
गोकुल स्पेसिफिकली स्लाइड में answer
लिखा है ग्रे मैटर एंड नॉट ग्रे सेल्स।
How have you written this already?
You
Because-
already knew.
Because that is the main point of conflict which happens. There are-
Wow. I am leaving this game. You can do Gamma with your own hangama. This is me signing off. Tata, bye-bye, sayonara, goodbye. Jeet for goodbye.
देखा मेरा क्वेश्चन ना इसके लिए ऐसे कर रहा है.
आ गया.
So
Oh, Mohit, yay, you lose.
I lose with a huge blunder, yaar. What the hell?
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं.
What the what? Before I read Agatha Christie, I would have said grey
Grey
matter.
matter, that's true.
We know grey matter.
That's true.
Only because of Agatha Didi. Only because of Agatha Didi.
क्या पलटी? क्या पलटा है अगाथा से लव
This
में?
Poirot.
This अगाथा Sherlock. This नकली Sherlock.
So, बीटा राउंड के एंड में स्कोर्स आर मोमो एट 0
Wow. Zero का भी हीरो बने दिखाऊंगा. अब देखो, अब गामा देखो.
एंड निप्पू इज एट अब की बार 500 पार 500.
Wow, crazy.
And-
500.
The game is not over yet. And it continues in the multiverse. In गामा का हंगामा क्या होने वाला है वहां पे? Have a look.
Abe, you just have to guess one letter.
Out of 26 letters. 2 down.
The common link between hello and Kaikoche.
I remember, I know.
3 down though अभी.
A royal fast food joint.
4 across.
Mono. Listen, you know this.
Perspective, madam, perspective.
5 across.
क्या आप क्लोज अप करते हैं? हाँ.
Wow.
क्या?
मैं क्या बताऊँ?
Sing his cake.
Prado.
उसके
अब की बार 1000 पार. मैं रेज में हूँ निप्पू अब.
शुरू में वो हमने देखा था स्कोर बोर्ड पे 0 एंड एंड पे वी आर सीइंग 1000 पॉइंट्स.
3 zeros.
Oh my god.
As I had said in the beginning कि भाई यहाँ पे होने वाली है एक गिरफ्तारी. The गिरफ्तारी is very simple.
Okay.
Please follow Mohit Mamoria on Instagram. One post with a green tea saying, "Hello friends, green tea पी लो."
Oh no, ऐसा करना है मेरे को.
Don't worry. उसके
भाई।
साथ you will get fun facts also about green tea. That is the सजा.
भाई रोहन जोशी अनफॉलो कर देगा। भाई विनीत गुजराती ने अभी फॉलो करना शुरू किया। I'll do it. I'll try to make it as fun as possible.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So
अब जब गिरफ्तार हुए हैं तो
आई एम सो ग्लैड आई वन। हे भगवान, मैं तो नहीं कर पाती।
hello friends, green tea पी लो.
पी लो। Oh.
And see you in the multiverse of members in Gamma का हंगामा. So what will happen over there? Crossword puzzle आएगा कुछ ऐसे. हमारी पहली कैटेगरी है गुपचुप ए सिनेमा. दूसरी कैटेगरी क्या होगी? That you will know over there. So see you over there. Goodbye.
God be with you. Goodbye.
गॉडजिला।
Repeating again, do not go to whatthewhat.co. हजारों लोगों की तरह मत फंसिए इन लोगों के जाल में. बचाइए अपने आप को. You
थोड़ा
can.
सड़ने दे अपने दिमाग को.
Yes, you do not need curiosity, my friend. Curiosity needs you. हाँ? Okay, bye. Just don't go.
मत खरीद ले प्लीज.
हाँ, खरीद लेना यार. एक्टिंग करवाई है अब आप लोगों ने.
ओ माय गॉड।
भाई
देखो
ग्रोटेस्क्यू क्या है ये तो बोला भी नहीं जाए.
Grotesque.
ग्रोटेस्क्यू.
भाई के कछु समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
Bet your points like a gifted scribe. Oh, but you are grouse spouse.
Yeah.
वाओ
So
मोनू, वाओ।
Wow.
मैं अंजानी कश्यप.
वो लाइन में कैसे बचाया जाए?
आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर हो गया. नूब जी भाव कर रहे. बताइए.
अब जैसे वो सामने आया तो मेरे को आशिकी याद आ गई. आगे पढ़िए, आप आगे पढ़िए. हाँ.